You've just finished moving your infrastructure to the cloud, and your team still needs access, so you leave SSH open on a few Bastion hosts. Then it starts a spike in SSH attempts. You check your VPC flow logs. There's activity, but what's real and what's noise? Inside Onum, those logs are ingested into a next-generation telemetry pipeline platform that transforms flow data into actionable intelligence without writing a single line of code. Example, accepted connections on port 22, 10 or more connections from the same IP within a short period of time, multiple source ports, minimal connection duration or data transfer. Then Onum enriches that data. Where is the IP coming from? Is it listed in threat feeds like Abuse IPDB or IBM X-Force? Does it match your corporate GeoIP policies? Here's how it works in action. First, VPC flow logs are ingested from S3 into Onum's pipeline. From here, we'll parse and then we'll do a flow log check, version check. If it's not version 2 in this particular case, we will route it to a Slack message for informational alerts. If it is, we will check against the Abuse IPDB database. We have an internal cache to handle large volumes without having to rely on external APIs. From here, the main decision point is it a known bad IP? If it is a known bad IP, we're going to check to see if we've seen it before by checking through Redis. If it's new, we'll set it in Redis, and then we will also block the API via AWS. From there, we'll send a notification to NetOps critical alerts. If we've already seen it before, but it's still causing an issue, we'll do a little field transformation and math expression here and create a conditional. If it's been over 15 minutes since we last saw it and it still works, we're going to use a message builder and then send a report or a note to critical alerts. From here, someone on the NetOps team will actually investigate. Additionally, if it's an unknown bad IP address, or if it's not a known bad IP address, we will first do geolocation, and then we're going to compare that to the corporate whitelisted locations. If it's not a whitelisted location, we will also send that to the critical alerts for investigation. If it is whitelisted, then we're just going to sample it and send that information to Splunk. Additionally, we're going to do a group by, and this group by is going to take a look at the source IP address along with port 22 and check how many attempts there have been within a minute. From there, we're going to do a conditional, and if it's been over 10, then we're going to send to Splunk and then also create a message and send for investigation to the critical alerts. If it hasn't been more than 10 in 1 minute, we'll just sample it and send that to Splunk as well. All of this happens visually, configured with drag and drop logic. No code, no regex, just flow engineering. Once triggered, Onum takes the right action based on the severity of the behavior and additional information. Onum gives you the precision, speed, and control without the operational overhead.